Alrighty, I'm back. I stayed at home today. I did virtual school, and I finished the stitching on this, so you can see it is quite nice actually, the way that it turned out. So I really like the pattern, how it has one stitch going back to the edge and then one on the bottom across the entirety bottom all around. There's a perimeter. I did a simple cross stitch on this side. There is one that crosses over there and a little bit there, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Now the plan is to zoom back out, to take this leather strap and use it as an inseam, just with some glue around the entire bottom of this, which will be pretty nice. And that'll give me some depth and just a little bit more stiffness on the bottom edge. And then it'll also conceal some of the leather fiber. So then I'll do this. I'll sand this all flat. I'll sand the top flat. And then I'm just going to start finishing the product with a burnisher and do the edges. I had to go do some stuff, so it's nighttime now. But I'm gonna preliminary burnish this, and then come back and trim it. Actually, I gotta do water first. I always forget to do the water before applying the toconol. Over here, the leather's really soft, which you can kind of see from this side. It's the side that has the marks on it when I was doing the cutting. So I gotta be kind of careful over here. Over here it's nice and firm and really easy to deal with, but this is coming on pretty nicely. Now that this edge has been shortened, it's a bit stiffer. I don't want to mess with it too much just because I just put on the toconol, but it's looking pretty nice. I'll have to level out these edges which is going to be a bit more difficult because I can't just take a sanding block to this because this is a lot more pliable. It doesn't have like the support that it had down here. So I'll have to find out a creative way to trim down these edges and finish this. But I'm going to finish this tonight. And I suppose I'll start just the same way as I did here. And I'll just take my edge trimming tool, burnish, and then I'll come back and I'll try to do the sanding. Just because it'll kind of harden up the leather, then I'll come back and I'll sand it and try to level that all out.